This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. You need a live API key and a billing-enabled account. Once validated, install the official SDK or prepare curl. Make your first minimal post to authenticate and list models. This proves connectivity and key scope. Use HTTPS and set content type, application/JSON. If your environment restricts outbound requests, open the proper ports or use a server relay. Once done, you'll see a models list or a simple 200 response. This confirms you can proceed to building requests. Now construct a real request. Pick the right model, set temperature and max tokens, and include system or instruction messages as needed. Send the JSON payload and parse the response body for text, metadata, and usage. If you need low latency or long outputs, use streaming and implement incremental processing of chunked events. Make sure to throttle retries on 429 or 5xx errors and back off exponentially. You should log request ID and usage to diagnose costs and performance while building. Finish by hardening and optimizing. Store the API key in a secure vault, rotate keys regularly, and restrict scopes. Once deployed, monitor usage and set alerts for budget thresholds. Optimize prompts to reduce token consumption. For production, add retries, timeouts, and circuit breakers. If something breaks, check request ID, error codes, and header values first, then reproduce with a minimal payload. Make sure to test from the same network and SDK version to isolate environment versus code issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.